What's up you guys, welcome back to another video. So today some stuff just came in the mail. So this is the package that we just got in. These are some suspension parts. So before we put the arms in, let me show you guys what the fitment looks like right now. This is full high, but the wheels are still a little bit sunk. It doesn't have any camber right now, but let me show you what it looks like when it's aired out too. So this is what it looks like when it's fully aired out right now. It can't go any lower because it's already sitting on the wheel well. So we're gonna need to add a little bit more camber so that way it can go down hopefully just a little bit more. And then we're gonna have to throw in a little, not little, but we're trying to get it as close as possible to lip to fender. These flares don't have a lip over here, or the lip isn't that big. So we'll see how it goes. So we're gonna go ahead and unbox these arms. We went ahead and got the eBay special Godspeed arms. We couldn't ball out, but these will give us enough camber because we're not trying to go too aggressive. And Blaine has ran these on top his car and also his brother, and they didn't have any issues with it, so we're just gonna go and use the same ones. So we got the rear upper control arm, and we also got the toe arm right over here. So we're gonna be installing both of these today. Oh wow. This is your new fitment?
Yeah, it looks like yours.
You play. I'ma steal these spacers from you. So this is the first arm that we're replacing. It's a toe arm, so there's a bolt here, and then there's also a bolt here, and then you can slide the new one in.
Peep the technique, guys. Peep the technique.
I need both arms to pull, that's why.
There's a breaker bar. Yeah, you finally figured it out.
Here we go. First one is out.
What?
I said which one is right and which one is left.
They're the same arm. It's just a stick. But wait, before you put it, you gotta match up the length of the arm.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. No. Spin the center, that's how you adjust these.
Oh, okay.
No.
What?
You already messed it up. So the way that you adjust this is you start from all the way, start from scratch. Then what I do is I hold it in my knee and then you twist it. Because when you twist the middle, it extends evenly, you understand?
Oh, okay.
So now what we're gonna do is match up the length of the OEM arm to this arm so we can get it close to stock, and then we'll do an alignment when we get everything on the car. So I like to stick a bolt through and then I line it up just like that. That way I know it's close to being even, or at least the holes kind of like match up. So that should be about even. We'll spin this down, lock it into place, and then put it in the car. That doesn't fit on top of that nut. Stop trying to get it to fit. Just spin the whole thing right now. Spin it.
No, it's locked. Like,
spin it the other way.
can I spin it this one?
You just span it, you crazy. Girls that work on cars.
Oh my gosh, everything is so much heavier. I'm down here. Shut up.
The center ring nut is the one that you use to adjust, and the two outer nuts are the locking rings to hold it in place. You can line it up with the old one, but we want more camber than that. So this is about 1 inch shorter than the stock one at its lowest setting. If you need more camber, you can take out the locking rings That's up to you, but we're gonna just leave it at this setting right here and then try to see where we're at. They sell like a lockout kit, which is a regular bolt with a regular washer, so that way you can get rid of the offsetted washer, which we will do later on, but right now we're not gonna do that. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and take out one of the locking rings to make it easier for us to adjust. So let's take out the big one.
This goes so much.
Just all that positive camber adjustment. No, it's for strength. So the way that you adjust this arm is you have two locking rings, like I said, one here, one here. You spin the center ring to adjust all your camber and all that. But we took out the big one because it's literally the same size as this and it's hard to adjust it with two same size nuts that's like really close to each other. We're gonna go ahead and put this back in. If you need more camber, you can take out that smaller locking ring, but that's up to you. So we're gonna go ahead and put this back in and get it in the car.
So we adjusted the camber arm and we made it max camber.
Is that what you did?
I thought that's what you told me to do. So I maxed out the camber and now we're gonna try to test fit the wheels to see how it looks.
Raise it. So spin it down, I don't know, maybe like a good amount.
Like 5 times?
Oh, way more than that. It barely, it's gonna need like a lot. You know, because aired up, it doesn't even fit. So we don't want it to just fit with the aired up. We want your height as well. We could start off at 10, and then if we need to go higher, we'll go higher.
Okay, let's see. Actually, it might need a bigger spacer, unless it looks like it's just gonna tuck.
If you put so much camber in it.
That's as low as it's gonna go? Well, this is way too much camber. So I spun it 15 times to take out some camber, so we're seeing how this fits now.
You can take a little bit more.
What do you think?
That's perfect.
It looks really good, yeah?
Mm-hmm.
It has the right amount of camber too. It's not too much if you look at it from far. I mean, not from
far. That's gonna be a lot of camber. What are you talking about?
Oh, it is?
Look at it.
Oh shoot, it does look like a lot of camber.
Oh, but that's aired out though. When you air it up, it's gonna be regular.
Oh, okay. I think this is the perfect amount of camber. It's not too much. I think those 44 clicks would have been way too much.
Yeah. You gotta come out and then match it.
Are you out of shape? Or am I out of shape?
We're both out of shape.
So on top of this camber arm, it looks like this part of the frame hits this little pinch hole right here. So Blaine's gonna go ahead and try to cut it off and see if that helps with some clearance. You ready?
Yep.
Alright guys, so this is how the fitment is looking right now. I love it so much. Even from right here, it looks so good. What do you think?
Oh, I love it. So much. So much, so much.
So much, so much. Wow. Oh, it's perfect. This looks really good.
This is better than the other side.
Let us know what you guys think of the fitment down in the comments below. Wait, I'm gonna record this side. Alright guys, so this is full high right now, so Blaine's gonna go ahead and air it out. Ready? Yeah, go. These bags have a good amount of travel. Wow. So this is what it looked like when it's fully aired out. Again, shout out to C2B Suspension for sending us the bags. If you guys want to do a bag over coil conversion, go ahead and hit them up because these fit perfect on the car. We had no clearance issues with the bags whatsoever, and oh, I love it so much. They can do any coilovers for any car, so just let them know what you need and they'll be ready to hook you guys up. Oh, I'm so excited for this. Alright, so before the video ends, we want to go ahead and pick a winner for the giveaway from the last video. It's for the Heart Suit collars that we had on the website that sold out, but we did have an extra one for one of you guys to win. So we're going to be using a random comment selector, and let's see who wins. It's going to be Stefan LC. So we're going to be in contact with you. Thank you everybody else for commenting and subscribing to the channel. We're going to be having another giveaway for this video. We're going to have the jet tags. It says stay good on one side and it says diamonds on a budget on the other side. So if you guys want to enter for this giveaway, all you have to do is comment down below. Make sure you subscribe to the channel and like this video, and that's all you have to do to be entered in this giveaway. But that's gonna be it for today. Thank you guys so much for watching, so much for rocking with us. If you guys want to support the channel, head to the website down below or just subscribe. We appreciate all you guys, and we'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.